Hello, you are welcome to the group of successful entrepreneurs. Actually, I am Emmanuel, and we are welcoming you to the group of successful entrepreneurs. In this group of successful entrepreneurs, we are going to be giving you theories, possibilities, or three stages of how to generate some incomes and successful cash for yourself. Actually, we are going to be showing you the first step. This first step is what we call patronage for you. And this first step is just a simple step. It's going to just be you making a click or ending $1 per click. They're going to have a link where you refer people under you and they will just click and join a particular Telegram group. Joining this Telegram group is going to enable them to make you in return earn $1. Once you have 30 people lined up under you, they are going to make $30 in Ethereum. These $30 are going to be forwarded to our wallet, which will enable us to forward a successful key, what we call business key, to you. This business key is what? Is a component of several secrets on how to make money online, based things like graphics, YouTube lining, website developing, Facebook adding, and all the other rest of things that are going to easily make you to have cash income to yourself. And these skills, once you get it, you can start making it sales on your own and earn your money back, even times 100, times thousands, why not? Depending on your marketing skills. And also in this kit, they are going to teach you how to make marketing skills. That is for stage 2. Stage 3 is going to be very easy. If you are a lover of cryptocurrency, then this is going to be a massive opportunity for you to be able to know how the tokens or the new cryptocurrencies that are uprising are taking their massive power. And we are going to introduce you to this so that you can have at least 10 different cryptocurrencies in your wallet, and these are going to be able to prepare your ground for the future stage, where in future when this cryptocurrency gains their mass market cap price very high, then you are going to also earn high income. This is going to be just for all we can present to you for now, and we are waiting to see you inside. But nevertheless, don't forget, if you are listening to me right now, it means you have taken the bold step to be on stage 1. I'm waiting to see you in stage 2, which is going to be more interesting, and stage 3, which is going to be mouth zipping, just to use your eyes and experience the reality. Thank you very much, the group of young successful entrepreneurs. You're welcome. God bless you.